Nothing builds that hiker hunger like a day of adventure. Now, it's important to bring snacks to have throughout the day, but when it comes to mealtime, Double Plus Ramen hits the spot. All right, welcome to Cooking with John. Bon appetit. Double Plus Ramen is basically ramen noodles plus two other main ingredients. Today we're going to use kale and tuna, and we're going to spice things up a little. And today we'll be doing all of our cooking in the Jetboil Minimo. Let's go over today's ingredients while we wait for that water to boil. We're going to spice things up a little with garam masala, my favorite spice, Tabasco sauce, ramen noodles, fresh kale, tuna in olive oil. Add the noodles in the flavor packet. Add 2 shakes of garam masala and 6 dashes of Tabasco sauce. Add the canned tuna and fresh kale. Stir, cover, and let it sit for a few minutes, allowing the noodles to cook and the flavors to mingle. And in just a few minutes, it's ready to enjoy. Oh my god, all those flavors mixed together, so good. There's something about hiking in the fresh air that makes everything taste that much better.
Damn! There's a party in my mouth.
Cheers!
Mosquitoes.
And now, with a belly full of ramen, the adventure continues.